Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your e-bike battery refuses to charge, you are certainly not alone because this is a common issue experienced by many riders. Charging problems can happen because of loose connections, faulty outlets, temperature conditions, or temporary battery protection modes. Fortunately, a battery that isn't charging doesn't always mean that it needs to be replaced. In many cases, a few simple checks can help restore normal charging and get your e-bike back on the road. Before purchasing a new battery or charger, there are several troubleshooting steps worth trying. In this video, I'll guide you through several easy methods that may help fix an e-bike battery that is not charging. Try these. Step 1. Verify that the e-bike battery is properly connected to the charger. Step 2. Test a different wall outlet for the e-bike battery charging setup. Step 3. Inspect the charger used with the e-bike battery for visible damage. Step 4. Examine the charging contacts on the e-bike battery for dirt or debris. Step 5. Allow the e-bike battery to reach a normal room temperature before charging again. Step 6. Confirm that the e-bike battery begins charging and that the indicator lights respond normally.